Hey, don't get, okay, stop. Someone's gonna get hit in the head. Whoa!
Welcome back to Dallo Dude Play. Today, we're gonna go to a classic jet fly-in. We're gonna watch jets fly around.
Maybe, we don't really know what to expect.
There's also some planes over there that, it's kind of like a mini Hill Air Force base, or museum. If you haven't seen that video, check it out after this one.
Here, little dude, go give us a tour of it up there.
Okay. We're going to explore a MiG cockpit. Let's see, there's the seat right there. There's the joystick. This is the MiG-15 BIS. MiG-15 BIS, eh? So let's see. I think one of these is one of the levers by the seat is the eject lever. The color is red, but I bet it can come in other colors too. That's all I can tell you for now. So I'm gonna give the camera back to Dad and tell him a little bit about it.
What do you think this is?
A gun.
A gun?
Yeah.
You're right. You see these grooves in here? They're called rifling. So when the bullet comes out, it's spinning like a football.
So does that cause like more damage?
Yeah, this looks like another gun over here.
Can we go inside and see the other plane?
Hold on, look at this, dude. It's like, this is where the air goes in. Can you imagine if you're walking by when they turn this on and you're like, whoa! You get sucked in there.
That looks pretty sweet.
So this is, what was this one called?
MiG-15 BIS. Guys, check it out under here.
That's where the landing gear goes? Is that where it folds up into the wing?
Yeah.
Wow, where does the missiles? That's what I want to know. What do you think that is, Jerber?
Go on the other side. Don't know.
That's the brakes.
Is that the missile?
No, don't touch it, Melly, don't touch it, don't touch it. That's to cover it up. That's where the jet engine comes out.
Can I look inside?
That's where the Passover is. So is this the front or the back?
I think this is the front.
Yeah, probably the front. Aerodynamic there.
No.
That would totally fit on top of the van.
Yeah. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Dad, I want to show you something. Wait, hold on.
What?
I think they might have ripped this off of a plane or a jet.
Maybe.
But I want to show you something else too.
Okay.
Oh, we should have brought our wagon.
Go on the other side. Jibber, go around. Okay, Jibber. Wait. What are the gauges?
The gauges?
Yeah.
This is the speed.
That's the speed here. Hold it and show. Give me a tour of it. You gotta watch the camera so you know what you're looking at.
This is the knot speed. It tells you how fast you're going in knots. So 1 knot is 1.5 miles per hour. So these yellow things are the
ejection handles.
If you
I'm glad they weren't active right now.
If you pull on them, this seat will turn into a rocket seat and make you come out.
What's this? Throttle?
Throttle? Nice. Throttle maximum, going 1,800 miles per hour.
Okay, if you wanted to pull up, what would you do with the joystick? There you go. Okay, if you wanted to nose down, what would you do? Okay, if you wanted to roll left, what would you do? Nope, that's right. There you go. And then if you wanted to use the rudders, what would you do?
I don't know.
Foot pedals are the rudders.
Oh, they actually work.
Yeah. This is your altimeter right here. Tells you how high in the air you are.
Oh,
this is your direction.
What's this? Can I get it now?
Landing gear. Okay, there's kids waiting, so it's...
Hold on. Landing gear up. She's gonna step on a button.
Okay, good job.
Throttle off.
There, good job. Yeah,
Pulling
parking.
up. Landing. We landed.
Woo, successful. Okay, come on this way.
Just so you know, I'm a junior fighter pilot.
You're a junior fighter pilot?
No. Don't pull this.
Good job, Annabelle. Good job, Letty. You guys, successful landing. Way to go. I've seen this in a movie before.
Iron Eagle?
front seat. I don't know what it looks like in there, but it's probably pretty cool. Wow.
Dad, can you do a favor for me?
What?
Look me up.
Why?
Because I want to see what that set is.
That's the F-16.
That's an F-16? Boy, huh?
It's F-16 XL.
It looks kind of like the F-18.
Look at this little pilot.
Yeah.
Made out of metal. Oh, they let anybody fly these days.
What kind of plane is this? Driving an airplane.
Whoa. This is a Japanese something. Oh my gosh, that's freaky.
That's the 9K52. Let me see the skeleton more better. That's the 9K.
What's it say?
Annie?
Annie? This is some kind of little old school wooden airplane. Look at our bicycle wheels are bigger than that. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, this is cool. This is the peephole air carrier.
People?
Whatever the heck that means. Oh, it's for mail. It would be
wait.
mail delivery. Oh, I don't know. Air camper. I don't know what it is.
Is it at the end of Top Gun 2?
P-51?
Yeah.
Looks like it. I don't know what it is though. Don't touch, Annabelle.
Well, look. The flaps.
Yeah, don't touch. Oh, it's an RV-7A.
It's an R what?
This is a real airplane. Like they fly it around.
Wait, this one?
Yeah. There's an iPhone cable in there.
Are you allowed to do with this? Are you allowed to play with this? Like, you know, I mean,
Well,
like
I don't know what it is though. It's like a radar machine.
Oh yeah, I think I saw one of these on the B2 video.
Okay, come on this way. Don't, you might push the wrong thing and blow it all up. Look, there's an old Willie's Jeep.
Are we
Nice.
allowed to go on all of this?
No. Want to go walk down there?
Can we buy some water?
Here's another MiG, it looks like.
Yeah.
More Russian sympathizers.
The light's blinking and right now there's a jet taking off. And it's that gray Navy jet over there. See? It's that one right there, I think. Sorry, I can't see very good with this camera. It doesn't zoom in. Well, that's it for now. We're going to be standing here for the jet to take off because it takes pretty long. So I will see you later. Daddy? Yes. I see it. Pull up.
How come you're so sad? What's wrong?
Nothing.
You didn't get to see him pull up? Think so?
Yeah.
Wait, no. Mach point 1 would be 68. Mach point 2 would be 130 or something, right?
Let me do some math.
Okay.
Oh, the storm.
Whoa!
The jet, what is it? I feel like I'm in a movie right now, like in Top Gun. Yay! I feel the need for speed.
Woo! Wait. Are you Maverick or Goose? No, Goose dies. The back jet Provost. A British powered jet. Looks like a British jet. Hello. Hello, Governor. How are you today? Bloody marvelous. Okay, let's go over here, check this one out. That's like a little jet, huh? Oh, what is that over there?
Oh yeah, it's like a toy jet.
Here's a Cessna T-37 Tweet trainer.
Powered by ducks. Shoot out yellow feathers to fly.
A Tweet That's a tweet quaila.
Hey!
Quaina. That quaina
That's
is
the
tweet.
same bird on Quick Quack Car Wash.
Oh.
No, the bird is a boy.
Northrop T-38 Talon. That looks like a fast jet, huh?
Yeah. Is it an F? What does the T stand for?
Trainer, probably. This looks like the same thing, doesn't it? Oh, this is a Freedom Fighter, so this one might actually have missiles.
F5B.
Freedom Fighter. Don't hit your head on the thing, Annabelle.
Someone's hit me here, man. How about leave it on? Let's get on the plane and
Hey, don't get, okay, stop. Someone's gonna get hit in the head. Whoa! The wind is moving it. So the wind is telling us that don't touch it, Millie, don't touch it. Don't touch it, Millie. Don't touch it.
No.
No, the wind's coming from this direction over. Okay, look, it's moving. No, don't touch it, Millie. So the wind is coming from the southwest.
Right now it's going still southwest. Now southwest west. We had a good time. We saw jets take off and land. Well, we didn't see a jet land. We saw a plane land.
Oh, passenger jet land.
Yeah. We bought some jet toys, which you saw earlier. The F-18 and the F-16. Which we're gonna have a lot of fun with. And we're gonna open the F-18 right now, right?
F-16 is my plane of choice.
Yeah.
That's this one right here. Ooh, I got missiles on it.
You got a good one.
The Blue Angels don't carry weapons. They're just exhibition.
Oh, it comes with a runway.
What? Awesome.
And you could add on to the runway. Here, hold this, please.
Sweet, we just need
Wait, hon. It says the speed is Mach 1.7.
1.7. We tried getting Mach 1.7. At 20,000 feet, this thing craps out in Flight Simulator.
So this at max speed, Mach 1.7.
So 1,200 miles per hour.
1,200 miles per hour.
That means you could go from like our house to Disney World in like an hour and 10 minutes.
That's it. We had a really good time here at the Classic Jet Fly-In, and we'll see you next Saturday. Bye-bye. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload one video a week, and it's on Saturday.